Per Inside EVs, Isuzu Trucks is expanding its manufacturing in the U.S. with a new $280 million factory in South Carolina. The facility, planned to be operational in 2027, will build both electric and combustion-powered medium-duty trucks, creating over 800 jobs by 2028. The plant will assemble the N-Series NRR EV, which offers between 41 and 235 miles of range depending on battery configuration, as well as combustion-powered trucks from the N-Series and F-Series lineup. The facility will have a unique production line without conveyors or pits, making it easier to switch between electric and gas-powered models. Isuzu sold a record 44,000 trucks in North America last year and is expanding its local production to meet growing demand. The NRR EV delivers 201 horsepower and up to 280 pound-feet of torque, with charging times ranging from 1 to 10 hours, depending on battery size and charger type. Standard safety features include lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. You are listening to UON News.